Yo, what's up guys? Got a little, some fun activities going down in the shop today. I figured I'd make a video about. We are pulling the engine out of Levi's S2000 and the trans because it's cooked too. So, you know, that's what happens when you make about 900 on a stock block. But honestly, the only thing that sucks is it would have kept going had the fuel pump not dropped or injectors. Well, no, we tested the injectors. Definitely fuel pump. This is what we got going on. So luckily we already pulled the head a while ago. Kind of see the damage and it was pretty bad. So let's check it out. Got a hole right here, and I would argue that that's the good side.
Yeah,
but honestly, I'm not sure, considering this is pretty bad too. So,
and we haven't even seen the oil pan yet.
yeah, we actually need this crank, so we're hoping that it's good because the rod is still connected to the crank, so we're hoping that's good. NSX also needs an engine. Yeah, this thing sat for a while before Levi got it. So when Levi got it, naturally, he drove the hell out of it, and we think lifted the heads or smoked the rings. Not too sure. The tune's been rich on this thing since we got it, so you know that'll happen. The Supra also needs an engine. No, I'm just playing. The Supra is I have like a bunch of parts for it. It is getting the works, and I just haven't started it yet. I was in the middle of swapping intakes on it, and I just quit that because I might end up pulling the engine and dropping a built one in. I don't know yet. Hatch also needs an engine. Yeah, we haven't even built this yet, but this is our shop drag car. We're gonna pull the wrap off and re-wrap it in our shop drag car. The old owner actually reached out. He saw my YouTube video on it and was like, yo, you guys got stocky. So that's kind of cool that he's here watching these, and maybe he's even watching this video, or he'll click in and see the hatch as we build it. But a full video is coming on this. We have everything to do it. We're missing miscellaneous stuff, but the bulk of it is gonna get done. Yeah, we don't have our cherry picker with us, so we're gonna be dropping it out from underneath. So I'm gonna put y'all up on a tripod. This is why you do a nut and bolt check. We went to take this off, and this shit is loose. And Levi was literally racing this at the strip, dude.
And on the street, I've done 180 in this car.
At the strip.
At the strip.
In Mexico.
In Mexico. And that is hilarious.
That's crazy.
That is funny as hell.
I hope our reactions in that when we both see it. That's crazy. Piece of the block on the subframe right here, and some crazy damage going down. So we actually have a Ramey Racing core or a Ramey Racing block coming to us. We actually need to send this engine first. Well, not this one, but a spare we have before we can get. Before they'll send us the replacement engine, and then we're gonna throw it all together. So, yeah, guys, there it is.
Don't do drugs.
Yeah. We're about to separate the engine and trans because we got to get the bed plate bolts out of this to put them on the core block we have to send to Ramey Racing. That way they'll send our block. Levi paid for this thing like, what, like
3 months ago.
it's been longer than that. Like right when this thing blew up.
Yeah, I ordered the block, and then they were like, hey, just send us the block. I was like, do you need the bed plate bolts? Because that's the only thing I'm missing. They were like, yeah, and I lost them to the other engine, so I'm just robbing them out of this engine.
So,
Yeah.
so we got to pop the trans off, and then we can actually, we need the crank out of this one too, hopefully. All right, y'all, we are done as of right now. This concludes this episode, tearing it apart. You guys saw the carnage. This transmission was bad too. If you don't know about S2000s, their transmissions are glass when you start adding power. And now we can keep moving forward and get this thing back together. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. We're coming up on 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So
Subscribe to me too. Boosted S2000.
I'll tag Levi in the description.